all know and love an everything shower, but what about an everything shower for your face? With the help of Miss Fenty, of course. This is the Fenty Skin Melt Off Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser. When I'm looking for an easy one-step makeup cleanser, this is her. Let me put you on. Literally coming off like butter. I'm obsessed. It feels like you're getting spa treatment, but you're literally at home. Imagine requiring no effort to get perfect skin. You can go in with a damp cloth or just rinse your face. It's insane. And when I really want to go the extra step, we have a face mask. This is the Fenty Skin Cookies and Clean Detox Face Mask. It's so relaxing, so cooling. It also has these charcoal beads. You massage until they break, and they help refine your pores and help control oil. All the things we love. You can literally watch it activate as it turns from white to gray. And now we wait. After 10 minutes, we rinse. What would I do without her? I guess we'll never know. One word, obsessed.